Guys, look at this. This is top racing bike. Green color and black color combination top racing bike. Very nice look. Okay, I put in my box. Oh guys, look at this guys. Wow. Guys, look at this. This is racing car. Very nice racing car. Green color and black color combination 4-wheeler racing car. Very nice look. Okay guys, I put in my basket. Wow. Guys, look at this. This is top racing bike. Green color and black color combination top racing bike. Very nice look. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, look at this. This is racing bike. Very nice racing bike. Yellow color combination racing bike. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow. This is BMW car guys. Very nice look BMW car, red color and black color combination. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, look at this. This is racing car. Very nice look racing car, red color combination. Very nice combination, very nice design. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, look at this. This is toy plaster gun. Green color combination, very nice design, nice combination, nice color. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow guys, look at this. This is Jeep car. White color and black color combination Jeep car. Very nice look. Okay, I put in my basket. Wow. Guys, look at this. This is excavator. Mini excavator, red color and black color combination. Okay. And guys, look at this. The basket is the full. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please my channel, subscribe and share. Bye bye guys.